Hello Drummonder, welcome back to my fast and smart branding and marketing tips through this video pill. And our topic today is parameters to ad campaign. Using reporting controls within Facebook Ads Manager, reporting controls are used to locate specific campaigns to find out which ads are performing well and which ones need to be turned off or altered. You can use the following options to find the information that you may be looking for. Searching these will allow you to customize a report based on keywords and responses. This is especially helpful if you are trying to locate a specific reactions from your audience. Try to organizing your report by searching for keywords like love, great, awesome. You can also use negative keywords to identify campaigns that are having a less positive responses. Try organizing your report by searching for keywords like expensive, scam, or date range. This will allow you to arrange a report that details your ad campaigns in any date range that you choose. This can help you identify trends that your business may experience with advertising. If there are certain months that are busier or more profitable than others, for example. Breakdown. The breakdown features give you an incredibly detailed report and a wealth of information. You may want to use this report control in conjunction with the report filters that you are not overwhelmed with information. These filters make the Facebook reports exceptionally customizable, allowing you to remove or add any data field that you want to create a report that will detail exactly what you need to do, exactly what you need to know. Columns. You can arrange these columns in whatever organizational method you choose, especially if you intend to export your reports to Microsoft Excel. Using these parameters can help you identify which demographics are most successful if there was a certain period of time that your ad campaign saw the most traction. Study these reports closely. There is no limit to what you can learn about your ad campaign from them. Thanks for watching. I hope you've liked this video. Share with your friends and leave in the comments below if you have used these tools before. And if you want more marketing tips, you're very welcome to my private brand mentoring. Plenty of lessons, cases, workshops, exercises, and a lot of interaction together. Just go to my website www.dcomex.com and reserve a section with me. See you on the next video. Success, health, peace, and bye.